Grocery store vocabulary. Shopping cart. Shopping basket. Store. Mall. Customer. Salesperson. Supermarket shelf. Cash register. Barcode scanner. Supermarket aisle. Supermarket checkout. Price tag. Shopping list. Receipt. Money. Shopping bag. Product. Goods. Sale. Special offer. Discount. Price. Chains. Queue. Line. Basket full. Empty basket. Supermarket door. Escalator. Window display. Elevator. Department store. Clothes hanger. Fitting room. Clothes rack. Toy section. Food section. Fruit section. Meat section. Bakery section. Pharmacy section. Cash counter. Barcode. Self-checkout machine. Plastic bag. Store employee. Store exit. Delivery service. Online order. Customer service desk. Return counter. Gift wrap. Price scanner. Bag packer. Exchange policy. Store parking lot. Store alarm. Stock clerk. Store camera. Shop. Supermarket. Grocery store. Market. Cashier. Shopkeeper. Store manager. Security guard. Credit card. Debit card. Cash. Coins. Wallet. Purse. Mirror.